Hey, everyone! Are you struggling to grow your YouTube channel and get more views and subscribers? If so, I have some great news for you. I recently started using an amazing tool called TubeBuddy, and it has completely transformed the way I approach my content strategy. TubeBuddy is a browser extension that offers a range of powerful tools to help you optimize your YouTube videos and grow your channel. Here are just a few of the features that make TubeBuddy an indispensable tool for any YouTuber. Before starting, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. So let's start. Keyword research. Keyword research is an essential part of any effective YouTube content strategy. When you optimize your videos with the right keywords, you can increase the visibility of your content and attract more viewers to your channel. Keyword research involves identifying the words and phrases that people use to search for content on YouTube. By understanding what your audience is searching for, you can create videos that are more likely to appear in their search results. TubeBuddy offers a suite of keyword research tools to help you find the best tags and titles for your videos. You can get insights into the search volume, competition, and overall value of different keywords, making it easier to optimize your content for maximum visibility. Video optimization. Video optimization is the process of optimizing your YouTube videos to increase their visibility and attract more viewers. With TubeBuddy, you can quickly and easily edit your video titles, descriptions, and tags directly from your YouTube dashboard. You can also access a range of other tools, such as /B testing, thumbnail generation, and tag suggestions to make sure your videos are as optimized as possible. Analytics. Analytics is a crucial part of any YouTube strategy, as it allows you to track your performance and measure the success of your videos. TubeBuddy offers real-time analytics on your channel's performance, so you can see how your videos are performing and make data-driven decisions about your content strategy. You can track key metrics such as views, subscribers, watch time, and even see how your channel compares to others in your niche. Channel management. Channel management is an important aspect of running a successful YouTube channel, and TubeBuddy offers a range of tools to help you manage your channel more efficiently. You can schedule videos and posts in advance, bulk edit descriptions, tags, and other metadata, and even create templates to streamline your content creation process. Competitor analysis. Competitor analysis is a valuable tool for any YouTube creator who wants to understand their competition and identify ways to improve their own channel's performance. TubeBuddy offers a tool that allows you to compare your channel's performance to your competitors. You can see how your channel stacks up in terms of views, subscribers, engagement, and more, and use that data to inform your content strategy. Best time to publish. TubeBuddy has a feature that helps you determine the best time to publish your videos based on your audience's viewing habits. You can use this tool to maximize your video's exposure and increase its chances of success. Promotion tools. Promotion tools are an essential part of any YouTube strategy as they help creators promote their content to a wider audience. TubeBuddy offers a suite of tools to help you promote your videos and grow your audience. You can use their end screen and annotation templates to drive traffic to your other videos and encourage viewers to subscribe to your channel. TubeBuddy also offers a tool to help you create custom thumbnails that are optimized for clicks and engagement. SEO Studio. TubeBuddy's SEO Studio is a powerful tool that helps you optimize your videos for search engines. You can use this tool to get real-time feedback on your video's metadata, including titles, tags, and descriptions. SEO Studio also provides recommendations for improving your video's search rankings and visibility. TubeBuddy's SEO Studio also provides creators with valuable data on their competitors, including their top-performing videos and keywords, which can be used to improve their own content and SEO strategy. Video Topic Planner. TubeBuddy's Video Topic Planner helps you brainstorm new video ideas and plan out your content calendar. You can use this tool to discover new topics based on your audience's interests and search behavior, and even get insights into the competition for those topics. These are just a few of the features that make TubeBuddy an essential tool for any serious YouTuber. And the best part is, you can try it out for yourself at a huge discount. I've collaborated with TubeBuddy to offer my viewers an exclusive discount on their first purchase of TubeBuddy. Just click the link in the description below to get started. By using this link, you'll be able to take advantage of all the amazing features TubeBuddy has to offer, and you'll be on your way to growing your YouTube channel in no time. So if you're serious about growing your YouTube channel and getting more views and subscribers, I highly recommend you give TubeBuddy a try. Click the link in the description below to get started, and let me know in the comments how TubeBuddy has helped you grow your channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.